Good morning, children. In the last class, we started the poem Special Hero. Let us look into the meaning. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. I would look up into your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky you were the dad chosen for me? When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. So the poetess is telling whenever his dad hold her in his arm, she feels the love and tenderness. Tenderness means kindness, and she felt very protective from any harm, that no harm will affect whenever she is being with her dad. So these are all the explanation for the first 4 lines. When she was a baby, always she felt love, kindness, and she felt very protective in the hands of his father. So first 4 lines. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. Next 4 lines. I would look up into your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky you were the dad chosen for me? So what she is trying to tell is the God specially chose that particular person as her dad. Why? Because she wants to be very safe. Dear children, look into the 8th line. You were the dad chosen for me. So please understand that our parents are God's gift. Third stanza. There is something special about a father's love. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. Up above means it refers heaven. So what the poetess is trying to tell is that her father is a special gift from the God. So there is something special about a father's love, which means the one human being will do anything for the betterment of their child, and he didn't expect anything as a return. So she tries to tell that her father is a special gift from the God, and he is very special. He won't expect anything in case of return. The last stanza. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. So what she is telling is, always you are my special hero, and our love will be everlasting. Everlasting means it will last for a long time, long lasting, and you are my special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. So the poetess Christina M. Kirschen dedicate this poem to her father in the great respect and love. So the overall summary of this poem. The poem is about the father's love towards a child. The poetess describes her father's love and care towards her. When she was a baby, he held her in his arms. She felt his love and kindness. He always kept her safe from harm. She was able to experience his love for her in his eyes. She felt that she was lucky that he was the dad chosen for her. There was something special about the father's love. She thought that he was sent to her from heaven. She just wanted him to know that their love lasts forever. She wanted to tell him that he was a special hero. Hope you understood, children. Yes, our father is always our special hero. Thank you.